Yeah, stay tuned for an important public service announcement. Hey guys, Richard here, and hey, guess what? I got Toby here. Yep, this is Toby's domain. Understand that, respect that. More about that in a moment. Hey guys, it's been a while since we put out really any kind of content. Things have really slowed down here for lots of reasons. I mentioned it before, I'm pretty sure. We're just not getting as many bikes in, so we don't make as much content. We've been busy doing other things. We got other things in the works. So yeah, we got that kind of stuff going on. But today's public service announcement is we are no longer offering test rides here at our home. Yeah, we have sure enjoyed it over the last, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 months that we've been doing it. I met a lot of great people, helped out a lot of people, just had a really good time with it. But as of late, we've been having some trouble too. As you can imagine, bringing people to your home that you don't know, sometimes doesn't always work out. And we've been having some trouble here recently with some folks that just didn't respect what we're doing here. Yeah, we voluntarily do this, or I voluntarily do this just to try to help people out, try to introduce people to more products and help teach them about e-bikes. And I enjoy doing that sort of thing. But, when you come to my home, you just, people aren't respecting, that. They just think this is just a retail center or something. They can just waltz in and do whatever they want. So, so we shut that down this week. Shut that down yesterday and said, yeah, we're done. Notified 630, explained the situation to them. They were very understanding and said, no problem. We're still going to send you stuff, Richard, because we want you to continue making content. So they just offered up something new. Now, we just got this Simple Glide here a couple of weeks ago, along with this Relax Body right here. Two very great bikes. I like them a lot. But yeah, Dustin over there at 630 just told me he's going to send me something else, and we should get it in just a couple of weeks. It's supposed to be in stock, I think, next week or something. Excited about that. Notified Meet One that we're no longer doing test rides here. And they said, hey, Richard, we completely understand, you're doing this at your home, and you've opened up your home to strangers and people, and they also understand that sometimes that just doesn't work out, and it's probably safer that we don't do that anymore. So they said, yep, we understand completely. Appreciate everything you've done for us. Yeah, so, yeah, that's just how it goes. Meet One. Hey, look, what is this junk? Hey, we had a yard sale this past weekend. Mrs. Adventure and I did. We just had stuff collecting around here that we needed to get rid of, but we didn't want to throw it out because it's good stuff. We throw out our junk, okay? When you show up to our yard sale, people like our yard sales around here, by the way. When we have a yard sale, it's because we've got good stuff to sell and get rid of. And the stuff that's junk, well, we throw it out and not mess with it. But anyway, that's leftovers, and we got to figure out what we're going to do with it. Get it out of the garage here, because we've been making some more space. As you can see, I've got some space, more than what I normally have. We got rid of some bikes. We got rid of a couple of bikes that I had intended on keeping longer term. I got rid of the Rad Power bike, the Radster Trail. Got rid of that Rattan 26-inch off-road bike. And I don't know, got rid of a couple of things just because, at the end of the day, I don't ride what we have very much. I haven't been making as many videos recently. I've been tied up doing other things. So, yeah, they just needed to go. I want my space back. Let's see, what else is happening here? Nothing really to talk about any of these bikes here. Nothing really to talk about and share that I can think of. So we're going to wrap this video up. This would be a short one. It'd be a short one for me to edit too. So I can finally maybe get some content out there to you. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. Until the next video, ride responsibly, ride safe.